What is an objection? Anybody? Okay, because of our time. It's a concern, question, reason, or an argument expressed in opposition to a proposal, idea, or a product. Now, keywords there is a concern, is a question, or reason, or an argument expressed in opposition to whatever you have to present. That's for people that love to convince people, people that love to talk to people. More often than not, you encounter objection. Like people telling you, "Oh, I don't have time." So somebody is telling you he doesn't have time to look into an opportunity. You know, that's why I love the red car experience. Mr. Matthew shared yesterday. I'm going to go into all of that. So, having established what an objection is, then are objections bad? Is it a bad thing for somebody to object? Now, the way I see it, that objection shows that the person is listening to you. Hello? That when people object, shows that, oh, they are actually listening to you. Or objections are often questions which need more information. Objection usually indicates that the person is interested. Are we together? Which is why I love the style of your upline. You bringing your prospect to your upline after they have read Donfiler. So your upline is talking to an informed person. So when you have two logs inside fire, inside the under the pot, you have fire. You understand? Because two people that are dealing with themselves, they are informed. Not somebody trying to load information on somebody whose cup is probably full. Well, what we don't want is unnecessary objections. Most times when people don't really have the money, they give you all manner of objections. They'll tell you this is this. We don't want unnecessary objections. We want objective. Then another thing we need to learn how to do is that when you're talking to people, anticipate objections. Now, if you read chapter 15 of Donfiler, you see various examples of objections that can be found. You know, that people normally talk about. You read all of those things. You'll be informed on how to handle people when they take you up. Because I established yesterday that number one reason why people don't do this business is what? They don't understand. When you are talking to them, they are thinking of wonder banks. When you are sharing an idea that will liberate them, that will set them free, they will think you are talking about Ponzi scheme or pyramid scheme. That because objections are either true or false. But what you need to do is to try and handle objections with facts. If you don't know, you say, "Oga, please let me get back to you on that. I'm not sure right now." It's better than lying. That there are three basic steps you need to engage in when you are handling objections. Number one, I call it OVT. Somebody say OVT. Obtain, verify, and transmit. Obtain, verify, and transmit. When you are obtaining, means you are determining the real objection. When people talk to you, take time to listen to them and understand what they are saying first. You can even ask them, are you trying to say, establish what they are saying before you jump into answer. So ask them, are you saying this? They will tell you, they will repeat themselves till you understand. That's what it means to obtain. Seek first to understand before being understood. Then, when you are verifying the objection, of course, you ask the person, is this what you are saying? By the time they are repeating themselves, you are thinking of the best way to handle the objection. And when all of that is done, the next thing to do is to transmit. Handle the objection. Answer it the